on here, like I said earlier, the lessons, you can modify them or differentiate them to fit your students' needs. STEAM, that was a big thing. It reaches every subject area and more. So, I mean, the students were, like I said, I don't know if you heard me earlier, but not only did the teams make their pizza boxes, but they were very creative. They made a menu. They took the whole owning a pizza shop and made a menu out of it and everything. They made pizzas, hats, some of them had cups and food. So, and here,
do you want me to go back? Okay.
Yeah, I was looking for, okay, so these are some of the reflection questions. The bottom one, this student put that we didn't have any problems because we are the best. So I thought that would be fun to share with you guys. So it gives the students the opportunity to reflect on how they worked in a team. So I think that's always a plus. And you can monitor and assess the students in all the areas. I mean, reading, math, language arts. So that's great. Okay, so here is kind of what worked for my class and what didn't work. The students really enjoyed being in charge of their own project. And so I think that's what they were most excited about. I wasn't right there saying you have to do this or you have to do it a certain way. They got to choose how they wanted to do it as a team. And they really were really excited to showcase their own work and, the effort and their own skills and what they put into their project.